If you've ever seen Grammarly underline a word or sentence and wondered what it actually means, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down the Grammarly error meaning in the simplest way possible so you can understand what each color means, fix your writing faster, and make better edits with confidence. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Now let's get into it. When Grammarly flags a mistake in your text, it does not just point out an error at random. It uses different underline colors to show you exactly what kind of issue it found. The Grammarly error meaning depends on both the color of the underline and the category of the suggestion. First, let's talk about the red underline. Red means correctness. This is the most serious type of suggestion because it usually points to critical mistakes in your writing. These can include typos, spelling errors, missing punctuation, and grammar rule violations. For example, Grammarly might highlight subject-verb agreement issues, incorrect verb tenses, or a sentence that simply does not follow proper grammar rules. So when you see red, it usually means there is something in the sentence that should be fixed right away. Next is the blue underline. Blue represents clarity. This does not always mean your writing is wrong, but it often means your sentence could be worded better. Grammarly uses blue suggestions when a phrase is awkward, too long, or wordy. The goal here is to help you make your writing more concise and easier to read. So if Grammarly gives you a blue underline, it is often suggesting a smoother or more direct way to say the same thing. Then we have the green underline. Green stands for engagement. These suggestions are about making your writing more interesting and varied. Grammarly may recommend stronger verbs, better word choices, or alternative vocabulary to help keep your reader engaged. This is especially useful if you want your writing to sound less repetitive and more dynamic. After that, there is the purple underline. Purple means delivery. This category focuses on tone and audience fit. Grammarly uses purple suggestions when it thinks your message might sound too blunt, too casual, too formal, or not quite right for the person reading it. These suggestions help you make your writing sound more professional, more polite, or more persuasive, depending on your goal. So to quickly recap the main Grammarly error meanings, red is for correctness, blue is for clarity, green is for engagement, and purple is for delivery. Once you understand these colors, Grammarly becomes much easier to use because you are not just seeing errors, you are understanding why Grammarly is making the suggestion in the first place. Grammarly also gives you a performance score from 0 to 100. This score gives you a general idea of how polished your writing is overall. A higher score usually means fewer issues and stronger writing quality. On top of that, Grammarly can also alert you to other writing problems like plagiarism, passive voice, and run-on sentences. So it is doing more than just spelling checks. It is helping you improve the overall quality, flow, and professionalism of your writing. Here is a quick tip. Do not automatically accept every Grammarly suggestion. Sometimes Grammarly is right, but sometimes your original wording is better depending on your tone, style, or meaning. Always read the suggestion before applying it. And that is the basic Grammarly error meaning, explained in a clear and simple way. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.